Hello, let's guess the farm animals. Let's get started. Can you guess this? Starting with C? Yes, that's a cow. C-O-W, cow. Can you guess this one? Starting with S and ending with P? That's correct. That's a sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. This one starting with D? That's correct. That's a duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Can you guess this one? Starting with H, ending with E? That's correct. That's a horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. This one starts with H. It's a hen. H-E-N. Can you guess this one? Starting with G and ending with T? Yay, that's a goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Try guessing this one, starting with P. It's a pig. P-I-G, pig. Can you guess this one, starting with D, ending with letter Y? Hooray! It's donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. This is the easy one. Can you guess this one? That's a dog. D-O-G, dog. This is the last one. Can you guess this? Starting with R, ending with T? Yay, that's a rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Thank you for watching this. Stay tuned for more such content. Bye.